Are you looking for the best PC case? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best PC case on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hyte Y60. The Hyte Y60 is truly a standout in the world of PC cases, offering a fresh, modern take on the traditional rectangular chassis. Its innovative design is a breath of fresh air and has all the makings of a modding community favorite. One of its most impressive features is its ease of use. The spacious interior makes assembling even intricate custom water cooling loops a breeze. The design is not only practical but also visually striking, with a panoramic glass view that beautifully showcases your build. The Y60 comes equipped with thoughtful inclusions like a PCIe 4.0 riser cable for vertical GPU mounting and 3 pre-installed 120mm fans for efficient airflow. Its sturdy construction, aesthetic appeal, and smart layout make it a top-tier choice for PC enthusiasts. Want to dive deeper into what makes the Hyte Y60 special? Check out our full review for an in-depth look. Number 2. Fantex Enthus719. Fantex takes build quality and useful features as seriously as anyone else, all while offering superb PC cases at affordable prices. The brand has cases to suit all budgets and needs, and the Enthus719 sits as one of the best full-tower cases you can get. Not only is this tower huge, but it's also built to last and looks incredibly premium. Furthermore, the price to performance with this chassis is nearly unbeatable. This PC case supports motherboards from EEB all the way down to Mini IDX and can even support a dual system setup. That's right, if you are a streamer/content creator you can get everything you need and fit it inside this one full tower. Some may consider this to be a budget full tower, but don't let that fool you, this is one classy chassis. Any type of build looks amazing behind the huge uninterrupted tempered glass panel. Water cooling isn't a must, but the main features go a long way to support a custom loop setup. Furthermore, there is a vast amount of drive options at hand here, with 11 places to mount a 2.5 SSD and 12 spots for a 3.5 drive. As there are plenty of radiator and fan support options, the Fantex Enthoo719 comes with a fan hub. A simple feature to include, but it is much appreciated when you need to tidy up the cables in this build. Looks great and performs even better, a superb full-tower PC case. Number 3. Asus Prime AP 201. Good quality SFF PC cases are hard to come by, however, Asus entered the Prime AP 201 into the market and it's actually pretty good. Mini IDX lovers will find this to be a little on the large size, with a 33-liter volume, however, it looks and feels pretty compact, with 4 quasi-filter mesh panels. The AP201 has support for a 360mm radiator, or 5 fans, and comes with tool-free side panels for easy access. The case has a 120mm fan pre-installed, but you are going to want to add to this for better thermals. The case is compact, sleek, and kind of stealthy, with room for a graphics card up to 338mm in length. This may not offer the same compact size as cases such as the Thermaltake Core V1 or Fractal Design Node 202 PC cases, but its unique size in this bracket means you can get some impressive builds in here. Take a look at our Asus Prime AP 201 review here for more information. Number 4. Corsair ICUE5000XRGB. Corsair's 5000 series still goes down as one of the best as far as PC cases go. While the iCUE5000D airflow model offers better performance, for water cooling, it has to be the slightly more extravagant 5000X. The iCUE5000X is marvelous and will make any system build look spectacular. Of course, there are many PC cases in this roundup that you could build an impressive loop inside, however, we had to shout out the 5000X. This case is premium, so as you would expect, we have a bunch of premium features to match. Aside from 4 sides of tempered glass, the interior is spacious, modular, and can support massive amounts of cooling options. We love this case, so if you would like to read more, check out our full review of the 5000X and 5000D airflow here. Number 5. Corsair 4000D Airflow Black. When it comes to an affordable mid-tower case, the Corsair 4000D is a great choice to look at. With great build quality, the case is built to last and keeps standing, no matter your build. Especially with Corsair's ease of build. Which means you'll have no issue with the 4000D. It also adds good airflow throughout. Changing up the front panel with a mesh does improve what cooling is available to the insides. As such, it stops the choking the other versions may offer. And with a clean aesthetic to it, there's a lot to look at, especially with the clean glass side panel to peer into the components. The back side is also spacious, with plenty of room for cables to fit in. And with great cable channels, cable management is easy and simple, giving you a clean overall build.